Hey guys, today I'm out visiting my client here in Cordova, South Carolina, and she wanted to share some information with you.
Okay, when my husband died in June of 2021, it was my knowledge that we had three $10,000 policies that each one of our sons would get. And we had a $500,000 policy that was supposed to come to me. My husband died unexpectedly, and the day that he died, my son came, the police officer, and my boys were here with me, and we started calling about the insurance so we could make arrangements for his burial and everything. I found out when we started calling the insurance companies that the policies had been canceled and cashed in. My husband did not inform me about it, so I was stuck. Luckily, we still have one $10,000 policy that was through the bank.
Okay.
And I had to fight to get that because they didn't want to give me that. They thought that he had lied to them and knew he was sick before. And so they contacted his physician, and the physician said, no, this was not known. This was something that was just out of the ordinary.
Mm-hmm.
So I was left with nothing and have his service for him and have him cremated because I did not want people to know what had happened because I was embarrassed and ashamed. I want people to know, be sure of what's going on and be sure of what you have. I ended up having to take my 401k, my retirement savings, and I had to add that to his expenses. And then I had the taxes on the three properties, the business, the home place, and we had a place on the river. I had to pay taxes, insurance, and he even had bought stock and inventory for the shop that had not been paid for. So I used up most of my 401k trying to save what was ours. And then when I left work due to disability, I could not carry my life insurance with me. So I started looking at policies. And
So did you, before you retired, did you think that you could have taken it with you?
no, I knew I couldn't.
Okay.
But I didn't know I was going to have to retire. I had expected to work longer, and because of my health, I had to quit work, and I could not work anywhere else. I retired on disability. Short-term disability did help some, but I was denied long-term unless I went to court and fought them. And finally, Social Security disability, I had to fight to get that. I bought an insurance policy on myself so my children would not have to go through that. But the guy...
Were you able to keep the three pieces of property?
Yes.
On the
Yes.
lake and everything? You guys still have those?
Yes.
Okay.
This son has the property at the river house. That's
Okay.
his inheritance. This son has the business property. This son will get this place
Okay.
whenever I pass.
Okay.
He has his own home and stuff, but this will be his inheritance. That's the way we wanted to do it for the three boys.
Yeah. What do you want people to know one more time?
I want them to know, be aware of everything that's going on. Be aware at all times of insurances. I would ask my husband all the time, how do I know what insurance companies to look for, or to contact? And he would tell me, look in the checkbook to see who I've made the payments to.
Again, guys, as women, sometimes we leave these things into our husband's hands, and no one's saying don't allow him to be a man, don't allow him to be your husband, but it's no problem with checking behind them to confirm, because at the end of the day, God forbid he passes away before you do, you're left back here trying to figure these things out. Again, here's one of my clients that I'm working with today, and she wanted to share this message with my followers. If you want to book an appointment with me, please click on the link below. I'll be more than happy to assist you.